Every spring, I do this little pond reset because after a long winter, I want to start the season with water that looks clean, feels clean, and lets me actually see my koi. And this year, our pond started doing that thing where it turns a little murky, tea-colored shade, usually from leaves or dissolved organic matter that stains the water, and it's just part of the pond life. But if you have koi, you know when the water gets dark, it's not as enjoyable and it's harder to keep an eye on everything. So this spring, I picked up the Pond Guy activated carbon filter pellets, and I'm going to tell you that this is why I added these to my routine. This is activated carbon, which is commonly used in filtration to help improve water clarity by reducing that stained look from organic stuff in the water. And I don't treat it like, a one-and-done miracle product, more like a steady helper inside a bigger water quality system. For me, it's filter maintenance, seasonal type routines, and using the right media at the right time. One thing I really appreciate, it comes with a mesh bag, and I love anything that keeps things simple and contained. You pour it in, zip it up, and place it in where it makes the most sense. In your waterfall or your waterfall setup or your filter, basically somewhere the water is going to flow through it consistently. And here's a tip straight from what pond owners do, including myself. Some people even split it into a second mesh bag. I'm going to do actually 3, one in each of my filtration systems, to improve distribution and flow so the water can move through it more evenly. Totally depends on your setup, but it's the smart idea. So here I'm going to rinse this little mesh bag off in a bucket of pond water just to get it nice and rinsed off and ready to put in my filter. And now for some of the practical details, because I always want to know the how much and how often. Well, this guideline says about 4 to 6 pounds per 1,000 gallons of pond water, and our pond is 3,500 gallons, so that's why I'm doing 3 bags. And if your water is extremely dark or cloudy, you may need a bit more to get the clarity that you're aiming for. Then you typically replace the media about every 2 to 3 months, so it's not something you're messing with every single week, which is nice. And spring pond care is kind of a rhythm for me. I'll add this carbon media, and I also add my pond salt when I'm topping off with fresh water from our hose, because I like starting with the season with a steady, healthy environment, but it also balances the water for the fish. When you're using hose water, another reason I like having activated carbon is the system is that it's designed to help reduce chlorine and chloramines, those chlorine-based compounds that can show up in tap water. I just like knowing that it's part of the overall water care routine. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, do you prefer your pond to be super clear, or do you like the deeper natural tea look? Either way, I'm cheering you on for a healthy, happy pond season. The products are linked in my description.